In this video, we will cover techniques for adjusting your axle weight distribution. We will focus on how to do this by sliding the tandems on the trailer and the fifth wheel on the tractor. But before we start, let's do the disclaimer. And this information provided in this video is intended for general guidance only. Always exercise caution and seek professional advice when necessary. So even if you are within the legal weight limits, does not mean your individual axles are. The standard weight limit for Class 8 combination vehicle axle sets are as follows: 12,000 pounds max on the steer axle, 34,000 max on the drive axle, and 34,000 max on the trailer tandems. Please note that weights may vary from state to state and even city to city. But for this video, we are going to use the federal weight limits for the interstate system. Make sure you look up local and state laws prior to your trip. If you find yourself overweight on the steer tires, slide the fifth wheel back. This will adjust the weight from the steer axle to the drive tires. The trailer tandem weights will not be affected. If the drive axles are too heavy, slide the fifth wheel forward toward the cab. This will take weight off the drive axles and transfer it to the steer axles. Again, the trailer tandem weights will not be changed by doing this. So you find yourself overweight on the trailer tandems. Just slide them back. This will take weight away from the trailer tandems and transfer it to the drive axles. The steer axles will not be affected. If you're overweight on the drive axles, move the trailer tandems forward. This will transfer weight from the drive axles to the trailer tandems. Again, the steer axle weight will not be affected by this. So to recap, moving the fifth wheel forward will transfer weight from the drive axle to the steer axle, and moving it back will transfer the weight from the steer axle to the drive axles. Moving the trailer tandems forward will transfer weight from the drive axle to the trailer tandems, and when moving the trailer tandems back, we'll adjust weight from the drive tires to the trailer tandems. After you do all this, you'll be ready for your reweigh. Thanks for joining me. If you made it this far and you like trucking as much as we do, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. And as always, leave your thoughts and comments below. Stay safe out there, and I will see you on the next one.